Hey guys, we got Texas Chainsaw, the next graduation. I'm sorry if I didn't say that correctly. Crackers Edition, Blu-ray. Seen a couple of these movies, I haven't seen them all, so I can't wait to get them all. Rated R, it's rated R. Hopefully it's a good movie. Can't wait to watch it. Later down the road. 4. Definitely. Okay. Alright, that's what the Blu-ray looks like. Nice. You guys see it? There's a director's cut not rated and the rated R version from the movie theater. So there's 2 versions on this Blu-ray disc. So that's my Texas Chainsaw. The next graduate. I'm sorry. It would kill you. He wouldn't need a chainsaw. Blu-ray unboxing. I'm sorry if I couldn't say that correctly. You guys have a nice day.